we start today's video, I just wanted to show you my best pair of work boots here. Look at this. Oh yeah, baby. Think it's time for a new pair, huh? What do you think? I think I should get a new pair, huh? I'll think about it. Happy Friday afternoon, everybody. I am done for the day today. If you have not hit that subscribe button yet, please do. I would really appreciate it. And I want to remind you as well that it hasn't been on schedule. I was actually on a live stream last night, but I'm trying to do Wednesdays at 6 and Saturdays at 6. So I will have, and if I'm feeling a little frisky tonight, I might, but there's the Tyson Jake Paul fight tonight, which you guys are well aware of. And I think there's something that we can all agree on, that we want Tyson to win, don't we? I sure as heck do. I want Tyson to knock him out in the first round. I'm sure hoping that happens. And hopefully there's not some fix in, they'll try to make it dramatic or something. I'm hoping that it's a real fight. Obviously we know that slap was staged. That kind of brings up the hype. But anyway, enough boxing talk. This isn't a boxing channel. But yeah, go Tyson. And it's nice it's on Netflix, so most people will be able to see it. I'll be able to see it. So without any additional cost. They could have made a ton of money if they'd have made it pay-per-view. But I'm glad they didn't. So anyway, I just chipped away a little bit at my big remodel job today. I had a service call, but I went ahead and made it for tomorrow because I'm already going to be in the area, and the customer's fine they'll just use their backup heat until tomorrow. So not a big deal. I really appreciate everybody that watches the channel, supports it. Don't forget to hit that like button, share my videos, share my shorts, anything I can do to get the word out, get this channel growing a little bit faster. The first few months I grew really fast, and then something hit on the algorithms, and everything just slowed down. I've been making pretty much the same videos since the beginning, so I'm sure it's on YouTube's end as far as the glitch or whatever it was. So, but which is all the more reason why it's important. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Like and share as much as you can. Share to your buddies. Share to your other HVAC colleagues. If they haven't subscribed, tell them to subscribe. Basically, just a call to action here is all this little intro is today. And I'd really appreciate it. Everything I do on this channel is from the heart, and it's all for learning HVAC, and to have some fun with it too. I got some goofy stuff Sorry guys, I got cut off there for a second. But like I said, everything I do, comes from here, and it's all about having fun, learning HVAC. I'm always here to help anybody who's new in the trades. If you want some help with something, I take requests on videos. If there's something that you're lacking in your knowledge of HVAC, I'm happy to help with it. If you want to see something goofy, if you want to see some funny stuff, let me know. I'm open to any ideas on this channel. It's all in good fun. And that being said, enjoy today's video, and I look forward to doing this every day with you. Thanks a lot. Good morning, guys. Seton HVAC here. It is Friday, November 15th, 2024. Headed to I didn't head to Home Depot yesterday like I was going to, so I'm going to head there this morning. I'm going to grab the stuff I need to get the drains done in that crawl space. I got my nitro, fresh tank of nitro, so I'm going to get that one line that has the nail through it pumped up, and see if that's exactly where it's leaking, which I'm sure it is, and hopefully I can hear it with the spray foam behind it. So I'm going to go do that today, and then I got a service call in a small town between here and Madras. It's called Culver, Oregon. We used to live there. A heat pump that's not working. So we'll see what's going on there. He said the breaker's not tripped or anything, so it's probably, who knows. He said it's got a clean filter too. So anyway, quick little intro this morning to let you know what I'm doing today. And I'll see you out on this on this job once I'm back from Home Depot. All right, guys, I decided to come out here and find this leak first and make sure that's exactly where it is. Make sure I didn't have an issue before that nail got put in there. Look how beautiful it is here. Beautiful, crisp morning. Nice and cool. There's Mount Jefferson. There is, I don't know what that one's called. That's Black Butte there. And there's the edge of the Three Sisters right there. They're just obscured. You can kind of see them behind the bushes there. What a beautiful place we work in. Somebody's got a fire going. I guess they took the burn bans off. So yeah, beautiful morning. Let's go find this leak. All right, got my nitro set up here. Let's go ahead and pump it up to about 400 via my regulator here. Oh, you can hear it. You can hear it right away. Let's go around. You hear it right away. Let's see. Sorry about the camera work, guys. As soon as I let any in, oh yeah, see that? On the wall. Oh, it's coming out. It's coming out the nail. Awesome. Yeah, it's coming out the nail hole. Jesus. Alright, I got some of it chipped away there. So what I'm going to do, like I said yesterday, is I'm going to cut it up here, and I'm just going to route it down out further. So basically what I got to do is just get it cut on both ends, and then I can try to just yank it out of there. That's probably what I'll do. I'll just pry with my hammer. Take my thermostat wire loose, of course, because nothing wrong with it. Actually, nothing wrong with my liquid line either, but I want to reroute them both, so that's no potential of that ever happening again. And that'll allow them to get in there and spray foam. So whoop-de-doo. All right, we're cut on the outside. I got my ends taped here. I'm gonna go cut this on the other side and pry it out of there. Try to pry it out of that spray foam. Let's go back inside. Okay, she's out. There's the carnage there. Let's go back inside here. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do. Do-do-do. Sorry about that. Don't know how that camera went off. So I got those. I'm going to tape those off. Got my hole there. I'm going to repipe that. I'm going to go to Home Depot first and get the stuff for this drain so I can just come back and I don't have to leave again. I need to get some coffee too. Always got to have my coffee. Alright guys, back from Home Depot. Let me show you what I got here. I got my hose clamps. I got my barbed to threaded. I had to go down to 1/2 inch, so I got my 1/2 inch threaded to 1/2. I got my 3/4 to 1/2 reducers, a T, and a little piece of 1/2 to go in between my my T and my reducers. So let's actually I didn't even need that, did I? Yeah, I did. I need it to go between there and there. So let's go put it together and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright guys, there you have it. So you got your barb to accept both tubes from both the vinyl tubing from both pumps. That's our 1/2 to threaded coupling. We got a little piece of 1/2 inch in there. That's our 3/4 to 1/2 there, and then same thing on this side. So I'll put a hose clamp on these two, so it'll be mechanically sound somewhat. I just got to lop this guy off, and with my old loppers. If you guys don't have a pair of these for doing PVC, get some. They will cut up to 2-inch PVC pipe. Just lops it right off. Let me show you. See if I can do this. Hold on a sec. guys, there's with it all connected. Got my hose clamps on there. Actually I gotta take this one off because I'm gonna put this longer piece of tubing there so I can go all the way down to the ground. I was gonna use a splicer, but I don't think I have to if I use that piece. But yeah, it just comes down over here through the knockouts there and the TGIs, and I just strapped it. And yes, I just ran it across there. I wanted a nice straight line. No reason to try to loop it all around over to there. So it'll be fine. She working good. No more water going outside, which is good. I hate when these things freeze. All right, just like that. So we got the ERV drain going in there. There's my pump tubing. Get that backed out. There's the drain off the tankless. I'm going to remove this one out, and then he can run his in PVC, his relief, like it should have been originally in CPVC. Look at this beautiful day today, guys. It's so beautiful out today. I just losing my motivation, and it's Friday. So I decided to, I'll hook that heat pump back up next week. You know, it's all, this is all change order stuff, so it'll be fine. I'm going to go do that charity job tomorrow, or Monday, excuse me. Heat pump, and then we'll be back out there to finish up whatever loose ends that I have left. But you know, it's Friday afternoon, barely a cloud in the sky. Who wants to work, huh? So yeah, I just stopped and got some lunch at home here, and now I'm just headed over to the convenience / liquor store. My wife wants me to get her some whiskey for the weekend, so I gotta go do my husbandly duties and get her whiskey. I'll probably grab a few beers too while I'm there. You know, you guys are always asking, especially when I do those live streams, if I'm drinking every day and stuff. I wouldn't be able to run a business if I was doing that. I'm way too old for that nonsense. You know, a few beers here and there. I just happen to do it during my live stream because it's a nice, relaxing thing to do while you're doing those. So, anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna head over to the old libation store, and we'll start the weekend. I got so that service call I was gonna do this afternoon, I'm already gonna be up in Madras tomorrow, and he's pretty close to there, so I just tacked it on till tomorrow. So I got 2 sales calls tomorrow. I got a full system call. I have a heat pump replacement call, and then I have that service call. No heat on a heat pump. So should be a packed Saturday for you. And then I'll probably try to do a live stream. I'm trying to do them on Saturday, so I'll be doing a live stream tomorrow evening around 6-ish or so. Depends on football and whatnot, but I'll try to sneak it in, and hopefully I can see you guys there. So until then, I will see you tomorrow.